Hi, I'm Sushmita from Plum, and today let's talk about asset insurance. What is asset insurance? Imagine a fire damages your office, or a power surge destroys your servers overnight. Replacing essential equipment can be expensive, and the disruption to your business can be even costlier. That's where asset insurance comes in. It protects your business against loss or damage, helping cover the cost of repairing and replacing things like laptops, machinery, furniture, inventory, and office equipments. Who needs asset insurance? If your business owns tangible assets, it carries this risk. Asset insurance is specifically relevant for business with valuable equipment or inventory. It also often required by banks, investors, and landlords before approving a loan, lease, or funding arrangement. What does asset insurance cover? Asset insurance broadly covers physical loss or damage to what you own. This typically includes four types of risk. 1. Damage from fire or natural disaster. 2. Loss from burglary and theft. 3. Accidental physical damage. And 4. Equipment breakdown from electrical or mechanical failure. It also covers more than fixed asset. For e-commerce or product businesses, raw materials and finished goods are covered too. And that cover moves with your stock value as it fluctuates. It can go further to cover business interruptions if the damage stops operation. What doesn't it cover? Asset insurance doesn't cover normal wear and tear or damage from poor maintenance and negligence. It's built for sudden, unexpected physical loss, not gradual damage or unproven theft. How do you choose the right policy? The right cover depends on what you own, its replacement value, and how exposed it is. That's where Plum comes in. We give you access to tailored asset insurance from India's leading insurers, help you set the right sum insured, and support you through the claims process. You can't predict every loss, but you can make sure it doesn't cost you everything. To know more, book a call with Plum experts today.